Ever wonder why some amazing digital products don't get many sales? Just like choosing the right audience, finding the right online marketplace is crucial for your digital products. Today, we're going to explore the 9 best places to sell your digital products online, ensuring that you meet the right customers. Number 1, Sellfy, which focuses on ease of use and beginners. It's a fantastic platform if you're just getting started. It's very user-friendly. It also offers a variety of digital products, everything from ebooks and courses to printables. Some of the pros for Sellfy are it's easy to use, customizable storefronts, easy setup, has some affordable pricing plans, and it's minimal maintenance. But it does have some disadvantages, one being that it's limited advanced features for scaling up. Next up is Podia, which focuses on education and memberships and digital downloads. It's basically an all-in-one if you're looking to be a course creator and you specifically want to design a course that will have a membership and some digital downloads. Some of the pros are it's excellent for selling courses, webinars, and memberships. And one disadvantage is it may be slightly more expensive than other options based on the all-in-one feature. And number 3 is Gumroad, which focuses on direct sales to an audience. It's really popular with creators who are looking for a really simple way of reaching their audience with a digital download product. Some of the advantages are it has a really simple interface, there's a direct connection to customers, and it supports various types of digital products. 2 disadvantages are there's a lot of competition with other creators and the fees on the sales tend to be a little bit higher. Number 4 is Etsy. Etsy is primarily known as a handmade marketplace, but it's really a great option for selling digital downloads. And I've seen templates, patterns, and printables all throughout Etsy, and even some really unique ones. Some of the pros are it has a huge existing audience. It's an established brand, so it has the recognition. Its built-in marketing potential is enormous. And some of the disadvantages are the fees can really add up, especially with high volume sales. And the competition, if you're not doing something super unique, can appear really saturated. Number 5 is Shopify, which is a powerful e-commerce platform, well equipped to handle physical and digital products. Some of the pros are it's a highly customizable storefronts and templates, extensive features for growth, and some of the integrations with various marketing tools. Some of the cons are there's a little bit steeper learning curve and the higher monthly maintenance fee are really hindrances. Number 6 is StanStore, and you probably know it as the link in bio store. The pros are it's tailored for creators looking to build a brand and its user-friendly interface. Some of the cons are less marketplace visibility compared to larger platforms, and that can make it get a little bit lost. Number 7 is sell from your own website. Think WordPress, Squarespace, Wix. This is perfect for somebody who's looking to build a brand and for long-term growth. It offers flexibility and scalability, allowing you to customize your storefront and integrate marketing tools. This is really great for strong brand identity. Some of the disadvantages are it requires more technical knowledge and you're also responsible for driving traffic. Number 8 is SendOwl. This is a really good tool if you are needing your digital products to be integrated into another platform. It is simple and lightweight. It's easy for selling basic digital downloads. It has a really flexible integration into existing websites or landing pages. It supports affiliate marketing and it's affordable with a competitive price. Some of the disadvantages are it's a tool, not a marketplace, and it requires marketing efforts. And it has a little bit less customization compared to other platforms. And number 9 is Lemon Squeezy. And Lemon Squeezy is great for streamlined digital sales. It is a smaller platform, so it has a smaller audience. If you're looking for a built-in marketplace, it just doesn't have that. Okay, so now that you have the product ideas and the best platforms to sell them on, you may remember me telling you that starting was the hardest part. But don't worry, I've got you covered on that next step too, creating and listing, selling these digital products online. Check out my video, How to Make and Sell Digital Products on Etsy.